Hello and again welcome back to our channel, and today also we have brought you another tutorial video regarding how you can reset your TikTok for you page. And yes, before we start with our video, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel. Let's get started. So you will just go to your TikTok app first. Once your app is open, you will see this profile icon below right corner. Tap on that option. You will see this 3-line menu above right corner. Tap on that. Then you will directly go to settings and privacy options and just swipe down, and then you will see this section called cache and cellular, and you will see this free up space option there. Tap on that, and as you can see, it shows your cache space, and then you will just tap on this clear option and just tap on that. And the other thing that you can do is you will just go to this content preference on content and display section. Tap on that. You tap on this filter video keyword option. Here you can type in a keyword that you would like to see your future videos about. Tap on this add keyword, and yeah, there is mentioned you can only filter a single word or hashtag at a time. Spelling is not case sensitive, and you can choose below for you or following. So if you want it to be for you, just enable that, and that's how you can add keyword. And you can also choose this language option where you can go to preferred language section and just choose multiple languages. You can see other contents in this languages, so your for you page can have new content. Other thing that you can do is go to this search bar option and just clear your history. Other thing is also that whenever you're using your TikTok, you will make sure to like only the type of contents that you would like to see in the future. So TikTok will show you that kind of contents in the future. And yeah, the search bar, search the particular content, watch those videos, like those videos, and yeah, TikTok will automatically start showing you those kind of contents. So yeah, this is how you can reset your FYP for your TikTok app, and I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you guys next time.